This is video 3 of 3 and I am enjoying the beautifully sunny Michigan weather outdoors finally. It feels amazing out here. I'm right by the bay. You can't really see it because of the reflection, but that's water behind me on the other side of the highway. So I think I'm going to go swimming at some point very soon because the water's finally catching up with the rest of the weather and it's finally warm enough to swim in. It's been in the 50s in the water the past couple weeks, so hopefully I get to go swimming. But I just wanted to close up my June tune recap videos for you guys by playing a set that I did over in Cork quite a lot at the Spalpeen Phonic sessions. So this is a Thirsty Scholar set, I would say. This is I think I got it from Jer Griffin, a good friend of mine over there. And it is 3 tunes, 3 reels. Starts off with Fergal O'Gara, which is a reel in D, goes into another tune in A minor and C, and I don't remember the tune name off the top of my head, but I will look it up and put it in the comments or the title for this video, so you guys can know what it is. And then I'm going to follow it up with an old favorite, Gravel Walks. So I hope you guys enjoy. watching my video tune recap for the month of June. As I've said, I'm moving on from my retail job into my music job, which I'm very, very excited for, and I hope that I will get to tour many, many places and see a lot of you on the whole musical journey. So I appreciate you taking the time to listen. If you have any gigs that you want to hire me for, shameless plug here, I would love to come play for you. Let's make it happen. You can follow me on Facebook or Instagram, Hannah Harris Kjol, that's C-E-O-L, that's my handle, or you can follow my website, which is hannahharriskjol.com. I have an email list that you can subscribe for, and there's always this YouTube channel, which I will try and keep updated with my latest videos, so they will improve in quality as I go along and learn more video skills. But I'm having fun for now and working with what I have, so I think that's what's important. So thank you guys so much for all of your support and for listening in, and I will catch you guys next month for my July tune recap, which should be a lot of fun.